Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I have my kit from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Now, just so you guys know, I did get this kit in person from Christina at the East Coast Scrapbooking Retreat held by Heather's Crafty Life. And let me just tell you, it was so much fun. And I'll definitely talk about that more in another video. I just want to show you guys this stuff. I did break into it, I did use it, but let's show you. Let's do what I see. As you can see, I've cut into bits of it already. This did not come with it. That was my own paper that I'm going to keep in the kit. So I have this, the rest of this paper. I have the rest of this cut apart sheet, which are these right here. Nope, those were not in the kit either. Oh, that's my own paper. Some of these things I knew that I wanted to do together, so okay, so we have this guy. This is Auburn Lane number 3. This beautiful geometric green on the back. And then Auburn Lane number 5 with the houses. And then this hexagon on the back. This is Auburn Lane number 2, this great dark wood grain on the front. And this floral with dots on the back. Then this is crate paper. This is Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams. These ferns on the front, and then these triangles on the back. Number 10 with these nice floral on the front, and then the yellow with the dots on the back. Then a specialty paper, and this is vellum. So this is that great pink, and then gold, and then the clear white vellum. Okay, then we have Auburn Lane number 9. We have this on the front, the houndstooth. Whoops, and then on the back, this tone-on-tone pink floral. And then this one is number 11. This is a huge cut apart with lots of stuff. And then this gray hexagon on the back. It's just a sheet of paper. That was my note. So those are the papers. Then I got these stickers, which are Happy Life. And they are the small gold stickers, and then the rose gold on the back. And as you can see, I've already used some of those. The Auburn Lane puffy stickers. And these are nice puffy stickers. They feel really nice. I got creamies from Shimmers in pink champagne. And this is, you activate it by doing water on it. It's going to be a great match. Got the Auburn Lane wood veneer frames, and these are gorgeous. I mean, they're just gorgeous. And they're not super thin, so they're not going to break like ridiculously easy. They've got some meat to them. Got the Auburn Lane rub-ons, and these are beautiful. I'm going to take these out and show them to you guys. So these are awesome because you can use these as in your layers, like this circle here, these little flowers, like these are great. So those. Then the Auburn Lane die cuts, and I have busted into those. So I'll just give you a peek of this, and then there's like the thank you. I also got the embellishments, and this had some enamel shapes on them. And then the sequin mix, and then some copper paper clips, which I don't think the copper paper clips are going to go in my scrapbooking, but I'm probably going to use them in my everyday paper life. Then we have the florals, and I busted into these and broke open the package and everything else. And then, but these are the florals. Woo! Excuse me. I'm not even going to stop and edit that out, guys. We're going with it. Okay, these are stickers, and these are 167 stickers, which I can see how planner people would use them, like using this as a checklist and little things, and then the numbers here. But as you guys know, my planner is not beautiful, so we have those. And then we have the 6x12 sticker sheet that, boom, goes up to a big one. And I've used some of the stickers here already, as you can see. So you can see those. And then I got the amber thickers. And this has the beautiful watercolor on the letters, and I used some of these as well. I also got these stickers, which are from Patio Party, and they just go great, like go so good with this Auburn Lane collection. And then in here, I got some goodies. There was something else in here, but I used it. I'll have to show you guys. So I have some copper hearts, and these are really cute. Ooh, shiny. There was something else in here. I'm not sure what it is, but I think I used it. Then I got this stencil, and it's just words, which is great for backgrounds or my art journal. I also got this water brush from Melissa Francis. So that's exciting because you can never have too many water brushes. And then this, which is just fabulous. Look at that washi. That is awesome, awesome washi. Okay. So that was my kit. And like I said, I've already made 2 layouts with it. Let me grab them real quick. Because there's some things. Like this is one paper right here. And I just cut it. So this is one of the papers that came with it. Here's cut apart flowers, little bits. And then this one as well. This is a paper from the kit. This is a paper from the kit. This is a floral and stickers from the kit. Those are those letters right here. This is the floral stickers. Some of these stickers are my own. This is from the kit, the striped paper. That's my own paper. All right, so that's what I got. I cannot wait to play with this kit. I have plenty of photos from Muir Woods, so that is going to be awesome. So if you guys are interested in a personally curated kit, make sure you go ahead and click that link down below to take you to redefinedcreative.com. You can either go with something like this, where it's a kit of a collection and maybe 1 or 2 other things thrown in to go with it. Or you could go for like all over the place kit. This is my first kit that has been collection based, and I loved it. And I also loved my mix and match kits too. So check it out.